Hey, Ms. Rivera, I'm trying to make sense of this geometry problem. It says two angles form a linear pair. If one measures 47 degrees, find the measure of the other. I just want to confirm, does linear pair mean they add up to 90 degrees or something else?
All right, Cody, let's read this one together. The phrase linear pair is exactly what unlocks this problem, but it has a very specific meaning. Before we dive into calculations, what information has the problem given us, and what are we trying to find?
Okay, so it gives us one angle, which is 47 degrees, and we need to find the measure of the other angle that forms the linear pair with it. I'm really curious about what linear pair means for how they relate to each other.
That's an excellent question to focus on, Cody. The term linear pair tells us everything about the relationship between those two angles. Can you tell me what the word linear usually makes you think of in geometry, perhaps in relation to lines or angles on a line?
Linear makes me think of a straight line. Like if angles are on a straight line, they usually add up to 180 degrees, right? Is that what a linear pair is supposed to be about?
You've absolutely hit on the key insight, Cody. Yes, linear directly relates to a straight line. A linear pair consists of two adjacent angles that, when combined, form a straight line, meaning their measures always sum to exactly 180 degrees. That's the whole connection.
Okay, that makes sense. So if they add up to 180 degrees and one angle is 47 degrees, then I just subtract that from 180. Let me try that quickly. I think the other angle would be 123 degrees. Is that what I should get?
That's exactly right, Cody. You've correctly identified the relationship and set up the calculation. Subtracting 47 degrees from 180 degrees gives us 133 degrees. Congratulations, you've solved the problem.
Oh, right, 133 degrees. My math was a little off there. Thanks for catching that, Ms. Rivera. I guess the key was really knowing what linear pair meant and that they add up to 180 degrees. That makes so much more sense now. Thanks for helping me figure it out.